Welcome to Tech Help Guy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to send a large file from iPhone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. So there are three ways to send large video files on iPhone. I'm going to be walking you through all three steps. So the first step is using AirDrop, which is a feature on iPhones that allows you to send small or large files seamlessly. In order to do that, you just need to go over to a photo or video you're interested in. I'm just going to pick this one here from my photo gallery, and I'm just going to wait for a recipient device to show up. So you have to make sure that on the iPhone you want to send the video or picture to, the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi functionality is turned on. Another cool feature on modern iPhones is that you can just place the top of the phone to another iPhone, and your files can be sent automatically as well. So as you can see, I've clicked on a contact here, and automatically the file has been sent. So it's pretty straightforward. Now, the second way to do this is to use Telegram. Now, Telegram is an application that allows you to message and share files with your friends. So I'm just going to click on the video here and choose Telegram. The cool thing about Telegram is it maintains the quality of the file, so does not compress it, so you're sure of a very high quality file even after it's been sent. So I'm just going to go over to Telegram here, and as you can see, the video has been sent successfully. Now, the third way to do this is using WhatsApp, but you're not just going to send the file over just like that. There is a cool way to do it. So I'm just going to go over to WhatsApp here. On the I'm going to click on a contact. On the lower left corner, you can see a plus icon. You just want to go over to that and click on it where it says document, not photo. So document, and you're going to choose photo or video. And I'm just going to locate the same video I sent earlier and attach it to that file, and it's just going to load up. Once it's done, the file will be sent in high quality. And that's how you send large files on iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.